Hey guys, hope everyone is staying safe and doing well. I just want to touch base about what this week is going to look like because we don't have any Khan Academy this week. Both Mass 6 and 6 Plus have finished up their current units, so we are going to be doing the alone activity and the major for those units this week. So alone activities will be posted Monday morning. You have a copy. You can write on that copy. You can type right on it. You can print it, write it, whatever you want to do. I will be posting the answer key to those on Wednesday, so you can check over that on Wednesday to see how you've done. On Tuesday, I'll also be posting the major that goes along with the unit you are on. It'll be a Google form, so you can fill in the Google form. It'll score it for you. You'll know right away what you got on that Google form, on that major. All right. So if you'd like to send me your alone activity, I'm also happy to look at it. If you have any questions about the work you did, anything like that, I'm happy to look those over. I'm going to show you how you can send that to me rather than just email it to me because the emailing is getting a little overwhelming. I'm getting a lot of emails each day from kids. So I'm going to show you an easier way where it keeps it organized on my end through Google Classroom. And then you can also upload your Spire review work this way as well. So you'll be able to do both the alone activities and Spire review work this way. You can send me those things. All right, so I'm going to switch over to my screen real quick and show you how to do that. All right, so if you look, I'm in one of my Google classes. I'm just going to go to this assignment here. And up here in the corner, you can see it says add or create, and then mark is done. So I'm going to click add or create. I can go to Google Drive and add a file that way. I can add a link. I can add a file from my computer. If you're on your phone, it's going to tell you something like a photo. You can take a photo of your work and upload it this way as well if you're using the app on a phone or an iPad or something like that. All right, and that'll send it automatically to me. It'll be nice and organized. It'll be much easier for me to view your work and things like that if we do it that way. All right, so if you have any questions on that, please shoot me an email, send me a message on Google Classroom, or you can hop into our live sessions on Wednesdays at 10 and Fridays at 2. All right, hope everybody's staying safe and have a great week. All right, bye.